Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw Righthand Man skin from Among Us. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm going to draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm going to pick a large point pen and I'm going to take a black pen and I'm going to draw the left side of his head with a curved line across to the left. Same is going to turn downwards all the way to his legs, and at the bottom of his leg right there, curve line across to the right, turn it upwards on the right corner and curve line across to the middle point. Now for his back on the left side of his body, at the upper corner I'm going to draw a line out to the left, same is going to turn downwards, and same is going to turn back to the right at this lower point. Now for his eye, I'm going to draw on the right corner a curved line upwards on the left right there, same is going to turn to the right above the visor, across and turn it slightly downwards, curved line downwards on the right corner, and inside of the visor at the upper corner in the middle point I'm going to draw a curved line downwards and slightly to the right. And above the visor from the same middle point I'm going to pick a dark blue pen and draw a diagonal curved line upwards and to the left. Sharp turn to the right and turn it downwards on the right corner right there. Below the visor in the middle point I'm gonna take a dark red pen and draw a curved line to the left, turn it sideways to the left, same as a turn at the outer corner on the left right there, turn it back slightly to the right and to the tip of his mustache. Sharp turn back upwards at that corner, same as a turn to the right and curl it upwards in the middle point. I'm gonna mirror the same shape of the mustache on the right side right here, and below the mustache on the right I'm gonna use a dark blue pen and draw a curved line downwards for the right side of his outfit, and at his foot I'm gonna draw a curved line across to the left, turn it upwards. At that point I'm gonna draw a short curved line to the right, and from that same point I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards to the lower point of his mustache. On the right side of that line, I'm going to draw some circular shape. One at the upper corner right there, another one in the middle point, and another one at this lower point right here. Now for his head, I'm gonna pick the large point pen with black color, and I'm gonna draw from the top right corner of his visor, diagonal curve line up to the right, same as a turn upwards. Same as a turn at that corner to the left, turn it slightly downwards in the middle point right there, and on the left corner I'm gonna curl it upwards, and same as a turn back down on the left corner, turn it inwards to the right and to the back of his backpack. For the top part of his hat I'm gonna draw off center on the left, curve line upwards, same as a turn to the left at the upper corner, and I'm gonna mirror the same set of curve line on the right side right here. At the ending point above from the left I'm gonna draw an arch curve line across from the left all the way to the right there. Now below the head and above his head I'm gonna use a dark brown color, and I'm gonna draw on the left side of his head a semi-oval shape at that corner, And I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side right here, and fill that in with that same dark brown color. And on the right side of his visor, I'm gonna use a medium size pen in black color, and I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards on the left corner, same as I could turn to the right, curved line out and back inwards, an arch curved line to the ending point on the left. And now I'm gonna proceed with coloring, and I'm gonna pick a medium brown color, and I'm gonna start with the hat and draw a curved line downwards at the upper section, off center on the left right here. On the left side of that, I'm gonna fill that in with that medium brown color. And below, for the lower section, I'm gonna use that same color and fill the whole shape with that color. For the other half of the top section, I'm gonna use a lighter brown color and fill that in. Now going downwards, I'm gonna color the left side of his outfit. I'm gonna draw a line across the backpack with dark purple color at this upper section right here, and I'm gonna fill in with that dark purple color for the lower half of that backpack. And I'm gonna use the same color and pick a point on the left side of his head and draw a curved line downwards to the side of his mustache right there. And below the mustache on the right corner, I'm gonna draw a curved line across to the right, and I'm gonna fill in the bottom half of that with dark purple color. For the remaining upper half, I'm gonna use a light purple color for the backpack and for the outfit on the left side. And for his mustache, I'm gonna use a light red color. And I'm gonna take a point on the left side of the mustache and draw a curved line across to the middle point. Turn it back upwards in the middle point and mirror the same set of line on the right side right there. Fill in the upper half of the mustache with that light red color, and I'm gonna fill in the lower half of the mustache with medium red color. Now for the right side of his outfit, above on the right, I'm gonna fill in that space with light blue color. And below the mustache, I'm gonna draw a curved line across from the middle point. Turn it diagonally upwards on the right corner. Fill in the upper half of that section with that light blue color. And for the lower half, I'm gonna fill that in with a darker blue color. Now for the goggles, I'm gonna take a point on the top left corner, and I'm gonna use a dark baby blue color and draw a diagonal curved line downwards and to the right, semicircle turn to the right and to the middle point. Fill in the lower half of that section with that same color. For the upper half, I'm gonna draw a small circle with a light blue color on the top right corner right there, and I'm gonna fill in and color the surrounding space with that light blue color. Now for the right side of the goggle, I'm gonna use a darker blue color for the surrounding of the eye right there. And for the middle part, I'm gonna use a medium red color. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!